Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode, we have another exercise, Floyd's triangle. So write a program that draws a 10-line Floyd's triangle. An outer loop can control the number of lines to be printed, and an inner loop can ensure that each row contains the correct number of integers. You can see how a Floyd's triangle will look like in this picture. Start coding and I will see you in a few seconds. Welcome back, and this is the solution to the problem. I want to clarify a little bit for you. So this is the number of lines of the triangle that we want to draw. This counter is going to be used to count the lines of triangle. This counter is going to be used to count the elements in each line. So the elements are actually the numbers that we have in each line, and I've called them elements. So we are going to count this with this element counter, and this is the number that we put inside the triangle. So the actual number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the actual number that we will have on the triangle. So while line counter is less than or equal to lines, it means that I have my line counter and I want to draw my first line, and I want to draw until 10 lines. Next, we will come here in this while loop. I want to count the elements that we have, and of course on the first line we will have one element, on the second line we will have two elements, and the third line we will have three elements, and that's why we have this loop. If the number of elements is less than or equal to line counter, then do what? Then printf, and print the number, which is the number that we have started in here from 1, and each time I can say that the number is going to increase with this while loop, and also the element counter will increase. So this number will print 1, and the number will increase, and it will become 2, and we also move to the second element of this line if there is any, but maybe there is not. So for the first line there is no second element, so this while loop will end, and we make the element counter back to 1. We have a new line, and the line counter will become 2, and now we are going to draw the second line. The second line we have two elements, and we are going to print number, which is 2, and then increase the number and also increase the element counter. Element counter becomes 3, number becomes 3, and it gets printed, and this while loop ends, and we come here and we reset the element counter because we are going to the next line, and we also increase the line counter and we go to the next line. And that's it. I hope you have understood the concept of this program. If you haven't, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will be very happy to answer it for you. Let's go and run this program. As you can see, I have my triangle. Let's go and maybe manipulate the number, maybe make it like 14, and run again. And as you can see, we have 14 lines of this triangle. And that's it. See you in the next episode.